Today, we're delving into the remarkable science behind Swell products and why they're not just another hair care line, but it's scientifically proven solutions for reducing hair loss and promoting hair growth. You're seeing here independent blind medical studies done on tripeptide-copper complex and the effects on reducing hair loss and promoting hair growth. I don't have to tell you, the science does. At the heart of our formula lies the tripeptide-copper complex, a true game changer. This acts as a growth booster for various cells within our body, particularly the dermal fibroblasts. That's a type of skin cell. So why am I telling you this? It stimulates the fibroblasts to multiply and ramps up the production of something critical, vascular endothelial growth factors, or VEGF. This factor is indispensable for the formation of blood vessels, which ensure proper nourishment to the scalp. Tripeptide-copper complex also regulates the release of another factor called transforming growth factor beta 1, or TGFB1. By reducing its release, it maintains an optimal environment for healthy hair growth. Let's talk about the star players when it comes to our hair, the dermal papier cells, or DPCs. These cells are crucial for the development and growth of our hair follicles. Cue scalp elixir. Independent blind studies have shown the tripeptide-copper complex is beneficial for these DPCs. It suggests that it has a profoundly positive impact on hair growth, nourishing the roots and promoting a healthy environment for stronger, more resilient hair. It's not just a claim. It's not just an opinion. The science speaks for itself. Swell products are backed by rigorous research and are proven to support your hair's health from the roots up.